What's going on, guys? Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist, and behind me on the screen you can see the Sunny fan bike. It is basically the version of the Schwinn Aerodyne, but less expensive. So a couple things that I really like about a bike like this for anybody who's had rotator cuff repair surgery, is planning on having rotator cuff repair surgery, or you're just looking to keep your shoulders healthy. There's a couple of things that nobody talks about in terms of how you can utilize the bike. The first is obviously what she's doing right here, right? You can use your pedals for your legs. You can use the arm action for the arms. It's not as good as a circular motion. Like if you've been to physical therapy, you've probably used something called an upper body ergometer, a UBE. The UBEs typically move in a circular pattern. SciFit is a really common company for that. But it's still a pretty good motion with the reciprocal back and forth. You can absolutely take your feet off of the traditional pedals and place them on pegs that are in the front side of the fan. So I'm not sure if you guys can see, but up here by the top, there are these little knobs. There are pegs sitting out there. She can place her feet on those pegs. I don't know that she ever does it. You can also, obviously, as she's doing here, let the arms take a break, just use the leg pedals to keep the bike moving. But what I really like probably most of all is standing in front of the bike. So I know I can't demonstrate it right now, but just imagine you see where she is sitting. If she was standing in front of the arm actions facing the seat, so she's standing in front of the bike, she's facing 180 degrees opposite the way she's facing now, her hands would grab the bar. As the bar comes up vertical and then cuts back, she would grab right at that L-shaped juncture, and she would do a reciprocal back and forth with her arms while she's standing. The reason why I like that motion so much is because it allows you to engage more of your body. It also puts you on your feet, which is a more functional position. If somebody has kind of low back issues, sitting on this particular seat isn't exactly the most comfortable. So by standing, you're distributing the weight equally through both legs, but you're also more closely simulating activities like walking and sport-related activities. So in any case, the point of this video is to say that something like this, a device like this, probably one of my favorites, moderately low cost, usually coming in under $500. It's something that doesn't have a very big footprint, so it doesn't take up a lot of space in your room. It's usually mostly metal construction that lasts a really long time. It's not cheap plastic that just kind of breaks after a couple uses. And it's something that typically you can use for a while, you can use during your recovery, and then when you're done with it, you can usually list it on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist or eBay for at least $100 and typically recover all or most of the money you invested in making the purchase in the first place. So guys, I just wanted to throw this out there. I'm not being paid by Sunny. I have no affiliate commission with that company at all. I'll post some Amazon affiliate links down in the description of this video so you can reference which brands are available. I like the Sunny brand. I like the Aerodyne brand. And then there's a couple of higher level premium brands for somebody who thinks they need to be a little bit more aggressive. Maybe some of the CrossFitters that are looking to get back to competition. But in the meantime, I wish you guys the best. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. We're pushing hard to try and get our subscriber numbers up over that 1,000 subscriber mark so we can unlock some new features and really start to grow the channel a little more quickly. I'll catch you guys on the next video.